Hi guys, welcome back to Karamia's Corner. I am back with some outgoing happy mail from my dear snail mail friend Sandra. Sandra, if you are watching, press that pause button, no peeking. This is a summer surprise happy mail for you. Now speaking of happy mail, if you enjoy these types of videos, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment. And check out my new video for my outgoing mail from my dear friend Joanne. I'll put the link right above there. And just a reminder, my giveaway for my Daiso Stationery haul is still ongoing. It ends on July 10th, so make sure to enter if you'd like to join. So now let's have a look and see what is up with this happy mail. This was inspired by a recent video I saw on another YouTuber's channel. Her name, I think it's Skylar, and she was doing a Stationery Bento box unboxing. If you'd like to see that video, I'll put the link in the description box. So I thought, what a great idea to create a bento box and curate or feature certain items for crafting or art. In this case, I'm sending my friend Sandra some Daiso Stationery. She doesn't have a Daiso in her area, so I'd like to send her a few items. So now let's have a look. In the front, you see this adorable hedgehog cloth, and it's from Daiso. I did a furoshiki fold, which is the box fold. It was a little short, so it's really snug, but it's like a little envelope fold here. So if she opens this, she can definitely undo that. She can just pull this out, just like a cute little envelope there. And now we have this tin can. Now this tin can, I'm reusing. It used to hold some Japanese cookies that my sister had given to me during the holidays. I thought this would be perfect for this Happy Mail bento box. So in the front, we have a cute little saying, "All that I seek is already within me." So let's have a look and see what I included. Here on the cover, she will find my letter in this envelope, and this scrapbooking paper was from Hobby Lobby. Here we are going to look at our little bento box here. The first item is a clear little plastic envelope with this adorable hedgehog. Again, it says Fluffy Friends. And you'll see that there are three divisions here, like a cute little bento box, and she loves washi tape, so I included that, and I'll show you which ones I gave her here. Let's start with this section. So again, I have the hedgehog, Fluffy Friends. I have a thinner one here that has hearts, and here we have the Shiba Inu and some cherry blossoms at the bottom. I also have this one. She loves pink and hearts, so this one has pink and hearts, and we have like a present there. And another one featuring these beautiful cherry blossoms in watercolor print, and we have the thinner one. So you'll see here I've lined the tin can with some scrapbooking paper, also from the same paper pad here that I use. So this came from Hobby Lobby. If you'd like to check it out, I'll check the brand and put it at the link below. So there's three different sections here. It's super fun. You can definitely customize it depending on the size of the items that you want to include. In my case, I wanted to include washi, some stationery sets, and this adorable pencil case that says, "Hello, my old friends." So that's the other compartment. So here in the middle, we have some twine that's wrapped around this set of stationeries I've sent her, so I'll show you what that looks like. So put this on the side, and we will go through this pile, and I'll show you. So now, so we have that section there. Just going to push it to the side. She loves hedgehogs just like I do, and look at how cute this stationery set. If you haven't seen my Daiso haul, this is what I had shown there previously, and I love that it came with a vellum envelope and the rest are regular envelopes. It has the seals, the sheets, super adorable. So I included one with these cute bunnies with some strawberries. She loves pink, so I thought this was pretty. And look how cute this stationery is with the boba and this polar bear. How adorable. So this comes with 12 sheets, 6 envelopes, and 1 sticker seal set. Next, I have a notebook here that I got from Japantown in San Francisco at Ichiban Kan. She has a shepherd mixed dog, and I thought she'd appreciate a cute little doggy theme notebook here. These are what the pages look like. And finally, Sandra and I connected through the Little Prince book. We both love that book. We love foxes. So decided to just make her a cute little insert celebrating our friendship through snail mail. And this is a paper pad, sorry, that I got from Recollections at Michael's. And the stickers here are from Amazon. So let's have a look and see. This is just a really simple insert that I think she will enjoy. Have a cute little tag with a stamp that says "Thinking of You" sticker here and a stamp of the fox. Inside she'll find a bunch of these stickers that feature the Little Prince. Super pretty. This one's one of my favorites. I love that one, and this one here also on the cover. So I have a bunch of those in here. I think I have a few of the foxes in there as well. And we have some of these journaling sheets that she can definitely use. Love this one as well with the music sheet. A little tuck there. And again, these were stamps I found and got from Amazon with the Little Prince and the rose. Here's a little middle pocket here that holds some dies that resemble stamps and has our fox. Some images of the Little Prince as well that I'm sure she will like. We have our fox over here. And more pages to journalize. Just a really small, really thin insert that she'll like. So in this cute little envelope, I'll put the picture here, is a Little Prince coaster, a cup coaster that I got from Paris. And I think she'll love that. Use it, put it on her desk. Hope you guys enjoyed this Happy Mail share. If you like this bento box Happy Mail idea, make sure to tag me at Karamia's Corner. I'd love to see how you package your goods. It's super easy to make, and you can definitely customize it as an art box, as an ephemera kit, and as a stationery box like this one from Daiso. So again, thanks for watching Karamia's Corner. I'll see you next time.